Oh hi, what are we cooking today? Today we will be making some Cajun rice with some shrimp, and some chicken breast. Get this thing out of the bag. And I'm having a hard time getting out of the bag. All over the place with the camera. Here it is. Bam. Some fresh chicken. Some fresh chicken. Yeah. Gonna throw it down. So just like that, we got everything ready. So to make this, you're gonna need a skillet. So we went ahead and chopped our chicken. We deshelled and deveined our shrimp. And here we go. We got our vegetables, remember? Yellow pepper, green pepper, red pepper, all bell peppers, and our onion. You're also gonna need some cheddar cheese, some chicken broth, some ginger, some ground nutmeg, some garlic powder. You gotta have this. All-purpose seasoning. Some perfect pinch, also our seasoning. And of course, you're gonna need a pinch of salt. So to spice it up, you're gonna need some paprika. And I would like my own special secret. I put either chicken or shrimp Maggi. A little bit of that, into it. So we're gonna start. Oh yeah, don't forget, you always want to go with the best. Olive oil. A little bit of that. It's all gonna make sense once we start putting everything together. So we've got our olive oil in the skillet. I just put a little bit of onion in there to use it to test the temperature of the oil. So as you can see, it's sizzling. We are sizzling right now, so I can go ahead and put some more onions in there. So we got it on mid temperature right now, about 50%. Next, we're gonna put our red, green, and yellow pepper in the oil. Ingredients you're gonna need is your rice and your tomatoes. Just wait, it'll all come together here soon. We got everything in here. The only thing left is to put the cheddar cheese in there. and then we're gonna put it in the oven. Dang. Oh, I gotta get my sunka out. There we go. Yep, it's all empty. We're good. There we go. We are in the oven. Snug as a bug. Hi, Facebook. We're gonna catch you. It's actually ready to eat, but I like a little bit of golden crisp on the top from the cheese, and the cheese will give it that. Once it bakes a little bit more. But you see what we got here, guys? It kind of looks like a jollof to my Ghanaians, but it's Cajun rice with shrimp and chicken breast. Man, I tell you, boy, this is all the yeah, try it out at home and see how you like it. You can, mix it up. You don't want to use shrimp, you can use beef. If you don't want to use chicken, you can use anything that you think you want to try your hands on. Crab, meat, whatever. Just mix it up, use your own ideas, and see what you can come up with. Alright guys, until next time, thank you for watching. Peace.